Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video tutorial by TechTechTuts in 2020. So it's my first video tutorial of 2020. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile or tablet as a drawing pad with your computer. Either it's a PC with Windows operating system, either it's a Linux with any flavor of Linux, or even if it's Mac. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can control your Mac with your mobile phone, where I'm going to use my iPhone 5s with my MacBook Air. So in this video tutorial, you will learn which software we can use and how we can use that particular software to control your laptop with your mobile and use your mobile as a drawing pad. So this software is called AnyDesk software. You can download this software from anydesk.com, just free download for personal use according to your operating system, whether you are on Windows, Mac, or you are on Linux. I'm here on Mac, so I have downloaded it for my Mac. And after that, I have installed it and open it. It will give me an address which I can use to access it on my iPhone. So I'm using my iPhone 5s, and you will soon see a screen of my iPhone 5s with this recording as well. So it's also recorded, and it's recording it started on my mobile as well. So on my mobile, I am going to install AnyDesk as well. So I'm going to open App Store, and I'm logged in successfully. In that App Store, I will select AnyDesk for my mobile phone according to its version. So I will search it, AnyDesk, and then I will simply click install. So as you can see, this is the AnyDesk with the red background and white rectangle and arrow. So this is the software you need for your iPhone, and same will be available for your App Store on Android system. So I will just simply open it because I have already installed it. So I click it and open it, and it will show me which systems I have already been connected with their proper addresses. So my address for this MacBook is 7885255731. So I will type here in the address 5 sorry, not 5788525731, and then I will click connect. So you will see a notification here that iPhone wants to connect, and you can allow it, accept it or dismiss it. So I'm going to accept it. After when I will accept it, it will show my laptop screen on my mobile, and now I can use my mobile to control my complete PC. But here I'm going to show you how you can use it as a drawing pad. So for that purpose, I'm going to use another graphic software, which is Graphic Designer. I will open it, and it will be shown same as it is on my mobile screen, and I can then pinch and zoom with my two fingers so that I can resize the canvas on my mobile. So I have adjusted it. After that, now if I select from here freehand shaping, and then I can use the mouse pointer as well, and as well as I can use my touch screen to draw something on the screen. For example, if I try to write something TechTechTuts, so I can draw freely. Now this particular software, which is Graphic Designer, not that much professional. I will recommend using either Photoshop or Illustrator for this particular video tutorial. So I'm just showing you this as an example. So here you can see I'm controlling it right now with my iPhone 5s. So this is how you simply then you can use pinch and zoom on your iPhone, and then you can zoom in and zoom out, and here you can see complete my operating system, and I can fully control it. And you can see I can close it from here, zoom in, and then I click close, and you will see a notification on the desktop as well. And then I click don't save, and there you see my software is also open here, and I can close it from here as well. And now you see the same screen of my laptop MacBook Air and my iPhone 5s on my iPhone 5s. So now you can either, if you want, you can control your, you see, you can control your MacBook or Windows PC with your Android phone or with your iPhone, or if it's a tablet, then it is far more better. But still you can use your iPhone, so you don't need to buy any expensive Wacom or any expensive tablet to just for your drawing purposes. So you can use your iPhone with your fingers or with a pen stylish, and you can draw anything, you can make anything on your computer with your iPhone. So this is the video tutorial which I shared with you. I hope you like this video tutorial, and if you want more videos like this one, then do subscribe to my channel and put a comment about it. Let me know if you like it or not like it by pressing the like button and then saying something in the comment section. So with this, I will close this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Take care and goodbye.